Candidates went at it for nearly 3 hours. There were many standout moments, despite the fact that there were 10 people on that stage. And then towards the end, a very long interruption by protesters who were chanting about DACA, saying their lives are at risk.
A fiery debate between the top-polling Democratic presidential candidates, full of political discourse and protesters.
We're going to clear the protesters now. Just 1 minute.
Many of the candidates not shying away from taking a stand on controversial topics. Former U.S. Representative from Texas, Beto O'Rourke.
Hell yes, we're going to take your AR-15, your AK-47.
Senators Kamala Harris and Cory Booker calling out President Trump throughout the debate.
Obviously, he didn't pull the trigger, but he's certainly been tweeting out the ammunition.
We've got one shot to make Donald Trump a one-term president.
Healthcare, another hot-button issue. Many of the candidates disagreeing over the right strategy for Americans.
And we're talking 4, 6, 8, 10 years, depending on who you talk about, before we get to Medicare for all. Come on. I've been there. You've been there. You know what it's like. People need help now, hope now, and do something now.
Julian Castro was a member of President Barack Obama's candidate, but he and Vice President Joe Biden not seeing eye to eye these days.
You said they would have to buy in.
Have to buy in. If she qualifies for Medicaid,
are you forgetting what you said 2 minutes ago?
Be in for it.
Are you forgetting already what you said just 2 minutes ago? I'm fulfilling the legacy of Barack Obama, and you're not.
Then the attacks turning to Senator Bernie Sanders, who wants Medicare for all.
I, who wrote the damn bill, if I may say so.
And while Bernie wrote the bill, I read the bill. And on page 8 of the bill, it says that we will no longer have private insurance as we know it. And that means that 149 million Americans will no longer be able to have their current insurance. That's in 4 years. I don't think that's a bold idea. I think it's a bad idea.
The problem, Senator Sanders, with that damn bill that you wrote and that Senator Warren backs is that it doesn't trust the American people.
And in a bold move, entrepreneur Andrew Yang announcing he will randomly select 10 families and pay them $120,000 over the course of next year.
My campaign will now give a freedom dividend of $1,000 a month for an entire year to 10 American families, someone watching this at home right now. If you believe that you can solve your own problems better than any politician, go to yang2020.com and tell us how $1,000 a month will help you do just that.
And finally, on immigration, Elizabeth Warren says Democrats need to have courage to stand up and fight back against President Donald Trump and his policies.
Why do we have a crisis at the border? In no small part because we have withdrawn help from people in Central America who are suffering. We need to restore that help. We need to help establish and reestablish the rule of law so that people don't feel like they have to flee for their lives.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Click the ABC7 logo to subscribe to our Eyewitness News YouTube channel.